Hey guys, it's the same from Deep South Overlander. Today, I don't know, we're gonna do a little unboxing of a little battery that I bought for the Overlander. I don't always do unboxing. Actually, I've done only once, but I think this was pretty cool. It's one of these 100 amp LiFePO batteries, lithium iron phosphate battery. 100 amp hour from a company called Redodo, which is Chinese. I ordered it online and it came in really quickly, about 3 days shipping from Amazon. I think I got it for $3.99, $2.99, sorry, $2.99. So let's do a little unboxing because I thought it was pretty cool. We have the box, we have a nice little plastic envelope here, a 5-folder if you want, with all the good stuff that you're gonna need. I think this is a sticker sheet, and so we have this, which tells you how to use the battery. Then here it says "tear me off," and it says these are the post bolts. And here we are. So we have the post bolts right there, positive, negative. I'm gonna put that on the side. Take that off. And here's the battery. Great thing is the battery is super light. So this battery is 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour. The benefit of these batteries obviously is that they can be depleted at 99% without damaging the battery. I believe it has cold and hot protection. It is not self-warming, however, and it is not Bluetooth either. But I have a device in the LX that will let me know how it's charged. So from here you just kind of unscrew this, and you're gonna put basically, those are your posts, negative and positive. I don't know the state of charge of this battery when it comes in, and I'm going to plug it in and do a full charge so I can then put it into my system and tell the system that it is 100%. What I have bought, however, is these really beefy accessory posts, if you will, and the idea is you're going to bolt these onto the battery, so however you want to put them, but you have these 4 places to add the accessories. So really nice, 4.8 grade, and I'll put a link in the description to both the battery and those posts. So there's 2 of them. And the idea is I'm going to place those onto the battery, and then I'll put all of my accessories off of these posts. And I will probably use the hardware provided with the battery manufacturer like such, and then plug it in. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and do a full charge on the battery. It's a lithium battery, so you got to make sure you use a charger that is compatible with lithium battery. But other than that, that's it. And I will change it in the LX. Right now I have a lead acid battery, which is a real pain in the butt because it's obviously it's not working really well. It constantly drops below 10 volt with my fridge, which then puts the fridge into that low power mode saving, and it stops it, and it's a big pain in the butt. So I think putting this battery is going to be great. Not only that, but I mean, this is super light. This is probably, I would imagine, half or maybe a third of the weight of the the regular battery, the deep cycle battery, the lead acid. So it's going to be great. And those are sealed evidently, so if you needed to mount it, you know, sideways, up like this or whatever, you can do whatever you want because it's sealed. This Redodo was it's been rebranded. I forgot what it was called before, but there is a Will Powers on YouTube, has really good review site on everything that has to do with solar, and he gives them a really good review. Like I said, it's Chinese made, but I believe them to be one of the best there are out there. To give you a point of reference, the same exact battery in terms of capacity, it may be a little bit better or whatnot, but the Renogy one was $699, so that was a little bit pricey for me. And yes, it's compatible with the Renogy would be compatible with my DC to DC charger, but this is going to be just as well. And I have this shunt that I use to give me all the information that I need. So once I charge it, I will plug it in, I will tell my shunt that it's at 100%, and then it will start working from there. So here it is. Stay tuned for the review and the install video in the LX. Thank you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, just subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.